everybody, and welcome to hashtag DeathWedge, the weird X19 YouTube channel thing where we do silly things with a free car. Anyway, so I know that there haven't been a lot of videos in a fairly long time, but the world has kind of been exploding, as we're all aware. And I'll be honest, the hardest part, and the reason that there really haven't been any videos is not that we haven't been working on the car. It's that I have to edit all of the videos kind of in secret because my husband doesn't know that we're putting the videos out already, and he doesn't know the entire plan of the car. So it's been kind of difficult when he's, working from home a lot of the time, and when he's not working from home, I'm watching my 4-year-old daughter. So yeah, it's really hard to find time to edit them. But we have been working on the car, so this is going to be kind of like, I guess, maybe like a supercut, you could say, of stuff that we've been doing. But of course, auto shops have been key businesses, or whatever they're calling it. So yeah, T-Dub has been open, and we've been working on the car with a fairly normal schedule. I mean, there were, obviously stay-at-home orders and stuff, so for me personally, because I don't work there, I just spent way too much time there. Yeah, I wasn't allowed to be in the shop legally, so there was kind of some time there, and getting parts has been occasionally difficult and things like that. But we also have a giant pile of spare parts over that way. Speaking of over in my this is my new garage you find me in. I sold my house in the middle of the lockdown, and I got a new house with, a much larger garage. Ooh, yay. Yeah, Super Deep 3 car now, so that'll be, more space in the future. But yeah, so the X19, we got the motor into it. We have sort of metal plates as fake motor mounts in right now. We found that we are actually going to be able to take the axles from my crashed 500 Abarth, and they fit into the Dodge Dart transmission. We're using a 6-speed transmission out of a Dodge Dart to do this. Mates up real nice with a 1.4, obviously, and yeah, the axles out of an Abarth slot right in. They slot right into the hubs. The spline count is the same 40 years later. And yeah, so that's really going to go well. What else have we done? Yeah, motor tranny. Motor is in for now. We got transmission mounts last week. A huge thank you to Larry Miller Dodge, kind of helping us out with that one. Brandon S. over there was great about that. I race autocross with him, so that was really helpful. We hacked and slashed apart the sort of oil cooler slash filter housing, and kind of dissected it in a way, but now we are able to kind of, I guess, see how that works, and we're going to be able to reroute things to better oil cooler and things like that. But basically we turned a huge chunk of aluminum into something much more streamlined. I've been learning to weld a little bit. That's been real fun. Both MIG and TIG, which MIG is a lot easier than TIG, I'll be honest. I'm not the greatest at TIG so far, but that's something I'm going to have to work on, because apparently that's something we're going to be doing lots of. Yeah, so all sorts of craziness has been going on, and this is, kind of going through all that. Plans-wise in the future, my best friend Dylan is actually leaving ThrottleWorks and creating his own shop, which I'm really excited about. It's going to be Toyota specific, except for my little weird crazy project. So we are going to be moving the car once Dylan moves over to his new shop, which is going to be Toy Sport Automotive, and we're gonna have to make up a new frame table for it and all sorts of fun stuff. So I'm sure there'll be some videos involved there as well of, sort of building the frame table. And again, more welding. Yay, lots and lots of welding practice. Oh my gosh, so much welding. And so build that, put the car on, and then we can get going again. But for now, yeah, we're gonna in the future here shortly be putting those transmission mounts on, making up some motor mounts, and then gonna see about getting some parts from the UK. Luckily my friend Jim over there has agreed to help us, so he's gonna be kind of our hands and feet and ears and stuff, generalized human body over in Northern Ireland. I know some of you guys know him, Jim McGill. I'm really thankful to have him on our side too. So we have all sorts of things going, and it's really, really hot in my garage, as you can probably see. It's been like well over 100 for the last probably 5 days now. I think it was like 102 today. Yeah, I'm kind of melting in here, but I have to hide to do these things because my poor husband is home all the time now, bless him. Like, I'm part of the difficulty with this as well is my husband only knows part of what I'm doing. He knows that the car exists. He knows that I work on the car regularly. He knows what motor's going into it, what tranny, all of that. But he doesn't know what the end plan is. The end plan is to take the car to Bonneville and try and set a record for the H engine class blown modified grand touring car class. But basically, 1.4 liter and a little tiny ridiculous vintage car. So yes, HBMGT is our happy fun thing, but he's not aware of that. So that's another reason I'm having to be secret-y. The original plan was to go out to a bar and get him nice and drunk, and then tell him. But obviously the bars are closed right now, so can't really do that. So I don't know, maybe we'll go out in the backyard and have a few beers or something. I don't know, but it's an interesting secret to keep, let's put it that way. So hopefully we'll be getting that, I don't know, less of a secret here in the future. But yeah, that's the plan. So hopefully should be having this out fairly soon. But yeah, overall, we're getting there. So the project has not been sidelined or anything. We keep on doing things and keep putting things together, and I'm really, really excited for it. I think this car is going to be completely badass. So yeah, hopefully this will, keep going here, and hopefully we won't get locked down again and all that fun stuff. So yeah, we're here. We're not dead yet. The car's not dead yet. And be sure to, like us on Instagram, hashtag DeathWedge. Literally the word hashtag spelled out. Obviously, smash that like button and subscribe and all that YouTube stuff. Feel free to check out ThrottleWorks as well as Toy Sport Automotive now. Yeah, both on Instagram, and I will hopefully be seeing you guys in the future here real soon too, as we get back more into filming a little bit more regularly. See ya!